Hi, in this video we are going to finish our Tips app. Simply search Tips. You will see Microsoft Tips app. In this one we have covered most of the tips. If you click show all app, all tips, we covered up all of these in our first and second videos. Uh, we are supposed to cover up from here, from gaming. If you click gaming, Microsoft also owns Xbox the device, or Xbox the gaming services. You can have Xbox Gaming Pass that gives you access to 100 plus high quality PC games you can use through Microsoft Windows. You can open Xbox bar just by clicking Windows and G. Like this, it will appear. It shows what you're supposed to do, stay connected, everything. And if you see, like this, I will press again on desktop, Control G, so we know what features or what options that appear. It shows how much my CPU or GPU usage, my RAM frame per second, what other devices or audios are being used. You can capture or record from here as well if you're not recording already, and you can capture view performance. This, I believe, yes, this is my old, very old one. I used to play Xbox. This is my username since then. You can chat with friends, or you can simply close it. You can close one or all of them by clicking on the side. This is Xbox bar. You can open Xbox bar by pressing Windows logo key with G. You can connect a controller to play the way you play. You can connect your controller with the PC, tablet, or even your mobile phone. You can play Xbox console games without installing them. That means you can play online without downloading and using the disk space on your system. Next, we have get to know Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365, it creates more with templates, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all other apps. Microsoft 365 on the go, you can use it. All these apps, even Outlook, on all of your devices, across all devices, laptop, tablet, PC, or mobile phones. Android, iPhone, all phones, they have Microsoft Office 365, or just online. You can, if you don't want to download the app, simply go online to office.com. You can use those services. Protect most of your sensitive files. We have covered this before by using all of them in OneDrive, that is available in personal vault, that is available in Microsoft OneDrive online. Next, we have touch gestures. You can use touch gestures. You can see here four gestures. It moves to the next app to swipe desktops, or you can switch apps just by clicking right or left. Swipe to task view. You can use three fingers on the touchpad of your phone, of your laptop or tablet. If it is a touch screen, you can use on touch screen. You can swipe up to minimize or maximize like that. You swipe left with one finger to bring the widgets bar where you can see all the widgets that you have set up. Where you can see these settings or move these settings. You to turn on the touch gestures, you go to start menu, settings, Bluetooth and devices. Under touch, you will find 3 and 4 touch finger gestures. For example, let's try to go there. Go to settings. Bluetooth and devices. There you will find touchpad and gestures. Under gestures, you will see three fingers and four fingers. Three fingers, you can choose what three fingers do. What option will be used? It will switch apps and desktop. It will switch desktop and show desktop. Or you can change the volume up and down by moving them. Same way, if you tap three times, it opens search like this. Four fingers, when you use four fingers, you swipe from top to bottom, it shows desktops. And when you press four fingers on it shows notification bar like that. Next, we have improve your PC health. You can use balanced battery life and PC performance. To do that, go to settings, start menu settings, and system power battery. Here, system power and battery. There you can see what options you have. We'll cover up all these options in depth, in detail in our upcoming videos that will be covering up all the settings option. You can, for a faster PC, try sleep tabs. We did that in our previous video. I think this is duplication. You can save the power battery. Simply, you can use power battery saver here. If you click that, it reduces the brightness automatically. You can see the brightness being reduced, and it reduces the processor and GPU usage as well. You can save files from viruses. You can quick scan the files for against any viruses. While you start up, you can choose which apps to be loaded when the computer starts or boots. Next, we have touch keyboard. We can use a touch keyboard that will come from Start, Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, Taskbar, Corner icons, find Touch Keyboard. You go to Settings, there we go, Settings, Personalization, Text Taskbar. Here we can choose touch keyboard. It should show the touch keyboard, never or how. You can choose virtual touchpad also. So you can use this touchpad here if you would like to see. If you don't want, you can disable it. Move the touch keyboard anywhere on the screen, just like we do on our phones. You can easily insert accented characters. Keep pressing the button, and it will show all other accented alphabets or characters. Move the cursor with the space bar. You can move the cursor there wherever you like it to go. You can insert a period at any place or any time by double tapping the space bar on this virtual keyboard. You can add emojis. You can tap emojis and it will download or bring live emojis from all over the internet if you are connected. Type comfortably with touch. You can simply touch on the screen if you are using touchpad, touch screen. You can enter numbers with a flick like that. You can hide your password key press. When typing the password on the touch keyboard, select view if you would like to disable the view so it will not show. For example, like I'm creating a video, I have to log in somewhere. I will disable it so you will not see my touch. where I'm touching on my virtual keyboard. Next, we have handwriting gestures. For handwriting, you can strike through to simply erase the text. You can bring two words together, just simply like that, connect them together, they will come together, the space will be removed if you are handwriting them. You can fix a letter like that without starting over. Just click on that letter and write it. Next, we have use your pen options. We have 5 tips in that. Pin the apps. There is a video. Let's go through it. There, you will have setting. When you have a pen connected, you can use all these apps, which apps you would like to pin using the pen menu. You can take screenshots with your pen. You can see, bring the pen near to the screen to reveal the pen menu like that. Just have a look. There is a small video on that, 9 seconds. Snipping tool. And like that, you can snip that area. Now that screenshot is taken. You can choose the hand you write with. You can choose left or right hand. Go to Start, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Pen and Windows Ink. Here, Bluetooth and Settings, Pen and Windows Ink. If there is any pen connected, you will be able to see the option you are writing with right hand or left hand. You can write the text. To open the touch keyboard, switch to handwriting panel, then start writing. So that will be all from the tips app. We'll be going through more Windows options, more Windows features in our upcoming videos. Thank you very much.